My name is Anthony Armandi. I'm a line supervisor for TID, and I've been with the district for 17 years. My job as a line supervisor is to direct and supervise the construction and maintenance of overhead and underground lines at the district. As linemen, we respond to emergency situations, basically just trying to keep the lights on at all times and build new infrastructure for the district to provide reliable power. So a day in the life of a lineman looks like in the morning you'll meet with your crew, you meet with your supervisor. We typically get our orders in the morning, go over our location, our hazards, any way to mitigate those risks, and then we load all our material and parts and poles and whatever we need for the day. And then we go out to the job site, do that job as safely as possible, and then towards the end of the day we come back and get ready for the next day. Somebody who's interested in pursuing a career like this, you need to most importantly be dedicated. This is not a 40-hour work week. This requires a lot of extra hours, overtime hours in the middle of the night at any time of the day or night. There's a lot of situations that are not easy when it's raining, when it's cold, when it's really super hot. So being able to have that dedication as an apprentice is huge. Another important quality that an apprentice needs to possess is being able to work as a team member. You need to be able to work with a variety of different crew members to be able to successfully work together as a team. An apprenticeship at TID, it looks like there's definitely a lot of hard work. It's a 4-year apprenticeship, so once you start, you go through classes every month. There's a lot of bookwork stuff to learn, a lot of online classes that we take, and most importantly, there's a lot of field training or on-the-job training. So once you successfully complete your apprenticeship of 8,000 hours of on-the-job training, we give you a variety of tests, and you have to successfully complete those before you journey out. TID is special to me because we all care about each other, and it's not just a crew that you work with every day. They're a team, and they're like an extension of your family. Line work is a very dangerous job, and I feel prideful when I know that I was able to mitigate that risk for my crew.